We're going to talk about trees. We're going to talk about what trees do. We're going to talk about what trees drink. Do they drink Kool-Aid? Do they drink water? I don't know. I've never seen a tree in my life. So, I haven't seen a tree here for years. Wait! Oh, frick! I found one! Look at it. Let's do some tests with the tree. Like first, what happens when water hits the tree? Let's see what happens. Well, I guess nothing happens. Well, what other stuff can we do with a tree? Maybe I should be holding this glass cup everywhere. Second thing we're testing. Fist versus tree. Are you ready? Ow! Next, kick a tree. Ow. Well, trees are strong, so I don't think I'm winning against this tree today. Oh! Well, next on our list is bushes. Smaller, tinier trees. Moving on our next item, grass. You can eat it. Your dogs can poop in it. You can run in it. The next thing on our list is wood. You can pretty much do anything you want with wood. You can make a tree, you can make a playground, you can make a swing, well, like a big swing or a small swing or any kind of swing. You can make bushes, you can make a trampoline. Next are rocks. These things you can't eat. I want to, but you can't. If you take one bite on these, it's gonna kill your teeth. Sometimes they could be used to make driveways, or huts, or driveways. And now our final part of nature are animals. We have a dog, there's a cat somewhere there. Oh yeah, also there's metal. That's not a living animal, but I felt like I had to say it. Oh, and we have a tortoise, which of course has a hard back to help it survive. Dogs have sharp teeth to bite and kill. See, right now it's eating a plant. And, well, you know the birds, the squirrels, and all the insects. And you know our 4 guinea pigs. You've seen them. Oh, you can hear one cacaring. A stick. Wood, but small. I love nature.
Kill
I
it.
hate nature.
Kill it.
Spider!